Hey art friends, today is Friday,
Yes.
June 15th.
Yes.
What are we supposed to do today?
Announce the winners for our Sherlock Gnomes giveaway.
Yes, our Sherlock Gnomes art giveaway. And I know that our art friends have probably been waiting all day long.
Yes.
And they're like, when are they going to announce the winners?
Now we are.
That's what we're doing now. All right, the first winner is...
Claire!
Claire! Look at all of her drawings.
Yeah.
She did all of the drawings. She added backgrounds and she colored them. All of them.
Yeah.
It's amazing. She did a great job. She's super talented, isn't she? And I love the coloring on all of the backgrounds. She used markers and each background is different.
Yeah.
She did awesome. I love all 5 of her drawings. I especially love the one in the middle with the bank.
Oh, yeah.
Which one do you think is your favorite out of all of them?
Probably the one in the bottom left corner.
Bottom left. I like
With
the
all
little.
of them.
With all of them. I especially like that little bunny. Congratulations, Claire, on being our first Spotlight winner.
Yes.
All right, now we're going to announce the second one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Jackson!
Jackson! Congratulations, Jackson, on being our second winner. He did awesome on drawing all of the gnomes, and I love his background too. I especially love how he drew his little clouds in all of the drawings. Good job, Jackson. And I love in this middle one, he's actually doing the lesson while his mom's taking the photo.
Yeah.
This is really cool. I'm so glad Jackson likes drawing with us.
Yes.
All right, now the third winner is...
Melody!
Melody, yeah, and she drew her art in a sketchbook, and I love that she took up
2 pages.
2 full pages.
Yeah.
She did a great job. Melody, you're awesome at drawing too. And I love that she added all the little details, and especially that she drew more than one bunny.
She did 3 bunnies.
3 bunnies. In the movie there's more than one, but
Yeah.
in the lesson we only drew 1 bunny. And I love that she added all the houses in the background and the sun. It looks really cool. Good job, Melody, on drawing your gnomes.
Yeah.
Are you ready to announce the 4th winner?
Yes.
The 4th winner is
Gage and Averi.
Gage and Averi, and I took a screenshot of all of their entries. They did a bunch of entries, and I know a lot of our art friends actually did. They entered more than once, and it was so cool to see everybody's drawings. And I loved how many times they entered. So they look at this big one that Gage drew that's got all of them in there, and they also have a bunch of the little mushroom guys too. And I really love Avery's drawings too on her little sketchbooks over here in the corner. She did a great job too. I love her little buddy.
Yes.
It's super cute. Super cute. Good job, Gage and Averi, on drawing gnomes. All right, now the last winner is
Connor and River.
Connor and River, and look at what they did, man.
They did a lot.
They did a ton. They did all of the drawings. They did them a couple times, and look over here on the left side.
You can see you.
Yeah, I'm in there too. They even added me.
One of the gnomes.
And I love this one on the left because I look like a gnome. Is that what you said? I love this one on the left because the whole scenery, it looks like San Francisco, California. And it's got the Golden Gate Bridge, it's got the houses, it's got all these little details, even the little trolley down here on the left side. And they got bunnies all over the place too. I especially love the little bunny that's on top of the Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh yeah, just saw that.
Yeah, but I also, my favorite part probably is that, yeah, of course.
That you're one of the gnomes.
I'm one of the gnomes too. And I know another thing that I really like too, they even drew the Chinatown cat. They added their own characters. We didn't do that lesson, but they drew it themselves. I love it. And this is also Juliet's dad up here in the top right.
Okay.
Congratulations, Connor and
River,
for doing an awesome job on your gnome art. It was so much fun checking out all of your guys' drawings. And everybody did such a great job. It was difficult. It was extremely difficult to pick winners, wasn't it?
It was super hard.
Yeah, you helped me, and we got stuck. We wanted to give plushies to everyone. Yeah, we wish we could. If we had enough plushies, we would send them
to everyone.
Everyone.
In the whole world.
Well, just the ones that entered. Yeah. They have to enter the contest. The giveaway. Let's show them again really quick what we're gonna send to you guys. We got a plushie of each of the characters.
The frog.
The frog. We got Juliet. Sherlock. Yeah. Watson.
And Nomeo.
And Nomeo. Check them out. We put these guys together because they were buddies in the movie, and these two together because they're buddies.
Yep.
And then there's also these 2 books. These are awesome books. We read through them. They're really cool. And also this cool t-shirt. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
So we're going to send this out to the winners. Now, parents, if one of your kids was the winner of the giveaway, be sure to contact me through private message on the same social media account that you posted your child's artwork on. So if you entered through Instagram, be sure to private message me on Instagram. Don't send me an email. Just send it directly through the social media. That way I can confirm that you're the ones that we picked as the winners. And again, we hope all of you had fun, and it was exciting to see all of your participation. We had a lot of fun last week when we drew all of the characters.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun following along with us and adding your own details and entering the contest.
Yes.
We got to do more of these.
We got.
We got to.
We got to.
Because they're so much fun, and I think they had a lot of fun too.
Yeah.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.